Feeling So Good, featuring the late, great Big Pun and Fat Joe.
They made it look like Studio 54, here we go.
How did it come about that you collaborated on this video?
The way we got together is basically I was like, had this record. Puffy had produced it, or did he? At that time, he was Puffy.
Okay.
Had produced it. Puff actually was like, you know, we should get on this. Is Fat Joe and Big Pun. We asked Pun to be on it, and Joe was like, I want to be on it too. And we're like, okay.
Yeah.
So it was great. We got both of them for the price of one. It became like that real Bronx video, and then I was like, well, we have to go back to the neighborhood and shoot it. So we went back to the neighborhood where I grew up. The album was called On the 6th.
On the 6th.
And there we go.
Yeah,
We're running on the 6th right there.
That's the 6th train right there in the Bronx. And if I'm not mistaken, the woman that played your mother in the video looks a lot like your mother.
It is my mom.
That is your mother.
It is my
okay.
mom. In the first few videos, you can't really believe you're doing videos, so you put everybody you know in the videos. You know what I mean? You're
right.
really not sure if you're gonna do another one.
Yeah, you want to put everybody on before it runs out, right?
Absolutely. Friends of mine were in this video. My mom was in this video. Whoever was around got in the video. So it was a lot of fun.
Now, I'm looking at the dance scene. You take the dance scenes very seriously. Those are always a vital part of your videos. Do you partake in casting the dancers?
I usually get a choreographer who I know their work very well or have worked with before, respect, and then they'll tell me if these are the good kids that are out there right now. And I always go with the talent. I'm not so much about look. I like talent. I like talented dancers because I started off dancing. So that's all I ever tell them, and then I just let them cast it.
How often do you rehearse, like, before the actual video shoot?
It depends. If it's more of a dance video where it's just all dance, you could rehearse up to 2 weeks before, 3 weeks. If it's just like a small dance break, maybe a week before the video. It just depends. I would say 2 weeks is a good little estimate.